Welcome, my name is Johan Flink and I work as a product manager at a company called Teleopti. Telecom costs is one of top 3 indirect spendings within any larger organization. We help our customers to gain control of telecom costs and also realize substantial savings, both within fixed telephony and mobile telephony. Our solution is called Teleopti Pro, and it's a web-based telecom expense management application for cost allocation and cost follow-up of all telephony-related costs. It enables our customers to gain control of and reduce their telephony costs, and also to raise the level of cost awareness throughout the whole organization. All of this we do in a very automated and effective way. The result is of course reduced costs, and we normally see a reduction of somewhere between 10 to 25%, depending on where you start off from. You also gain a better control of all your telecom assets. We cut much of the administration that goes around managing the telecom assets, and we definitely raise the level of cost awareness throughout all members or all employees within the organization. Now we'll demonstrate the solution for you, and I will show you some of the reports and also how you can use the solution for realize savings within your telecom costs. What I've done now, I have logged in as a super user, and that gives me, in this case, access to all of the functions and reports of the system. If I had logged on as a, for example, a cost center or department manager, I would gain access to other parts of the system and to reports of my specific department or business unit, depending on what type of manager I am. So I will start off by showing you some of the reports. And the statistics we have in the system is, of course, everything that happens in your company PBX, incoming traffic, internal traffic and outgoing traffic. On the outgoing traffic we use the inbuilt tariffs that you have to calculate the price. And for the mobile telephony, we import all the data and all the statistics from your mobile carrier. And that we use to aggregate and make reports of fixed telephony and mobile telephony that we aggregate on all of your organization levels, from end users up to the whole company as a whole. So for example, if I start off by showing you a report since I'm a super user now, I gain access to all of the organization, but let's pull a report for the finance department, for example. So what I will see here is I will see the trend for the last 13 months. What has happened to my telephony cost? Is it going up? Is it stable, or is it going down? I will see the split between mobile, IP and extensions. And in this case I choose the December period, and I will see the comparison with the 2 previous months as well, together with the year-to-date. And this report will give me 1 row per employee within the finance department. And if I want to dig into a specific user, I can just click on anyone here to see the details. In this case, I chose Kathy Reese, and I can see that she has a mobile subscription connected to her, and I can see what has happened for the last 3 months and the total cost for that user. So this report can either be accessed via that you log into the application, but we normally set it up to be pushed out via email once a month. That's a much better way to make sure that everyone gets their reports. And this we also do to the actual end user. So for example, if I'm Chris Patterson, I would have this report in my mailbox once a month, where I could see what is happening to my total telecom spending, what's the spending on the devices that is associated to me. In this case I have an extension and the traffic that I make on that one, and I also have a mobile phone. So I get a good picture of the things that are connected to me and how I'm doing with my telecom costs. And what we see is, just by showing this information to the end users, we see that a reduction of costs of somewhere between 5 to 10% is definitely achievable just by showing the information that you have in the system. The organization structure is normally pulled from either your Active Directory or some other HR database that you have, so that we can keep Teleopti Pro updated automatically once a night. So all moves, adds and changes that happens within your organization is updated automatically. And if you're interested in finding out more, please log on to www.teleopti.com or send me an email at product@teleopti.com. Thank you for watching. Bye.